In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up international shipping rates on Shopify. We'll walk through everything step by step, so you can confidently charge the right amount for orders going outside your home country. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin before you start, so you can follow along on your own screen. From your Shopify admin dashboard, look to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where you control all the behind-the-scenes options for your store. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand panel and find Shipping and Delivery, then click on it. This section is where Shopify manages your shipping profiles, zones, and rates. At the top, you'll see a card labeled Shipping. On that card, look for an area called General Shipping Rates or General Shipping Profile and click it. This opens your main shipping profile, which usually covers all your products unless you've set up custom profiles. Now, scroll down until you see the Shipping Zones section. Shipping zones tell Shopify which countries or regions you'll ship to and what it should charge customers in those places. To create an international zone, go to the top right of the list of zones and click Add Shipping Zone. A pop-up window will appear. Give your new shipping zone a clear name, such as International, or something that makes sense for how you organize your shipping. Then, in the same pop-up, select the countries or regions you want to include in this zone. You can choose specific countries or even entire regions, depending on how you want to group your shipping. When you're done selecting, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your new shipping zone will now appear in the list. Under this zone, click Add Rate. Another pop-up will appear where you can define the actual shipping cost. First, choose the rate type. You can use a flat rate, where you decide a fixed price, or you can use carrier or app calculated rates from services like DHL, UPS, or FedEx if they're connected to your store. Next, enter a name for the shipping rate, such as Standard International or Express International, and optionally add a brief delivery description so customers know what to expect. Set the price you want to charge for this international shipping option. If your store supports multiple currencies, choose the appropriate one. If you want more control, click Add Conditions. You can base the rate on item weight, setting minimum and maximum weights, or on order price with minimum and maximum order values. This is useful if you want to offer cheaper rates for lighter orders or higher value purchases. When you're happy with the setup, click Done at the bottom right of the pop-up. You can repeat these steps to create different rates for different international zones or service levels. For example, separating nearby regions from distant ones or standard from express. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the top of the page, near the search bar. This makes sure all your new international shipping zones and rates are applied to your store. Once saved, your customers in those countries will see the correct options at checkout.